How to choose the recorder for your car. Let's watch a video first. What if you encounter this situation? Yes, if you think about it, we use the driving recorder to collect evidence. However, there are many styles. How should we choose? Here it comes. This built-in Carplay, Android Auto, second high-end driving recorder. We can see its very beautiful appearance. Let's take a look at its accessories. This is its interior camera. This is its front camera. This is its rear camera. This is its power cord. Let us see how to install. It only needs to be fixed with the strap in the back without hurting the original car. The camera just needs to tear off the adhesive paper behind it and paste it. Then plug in all the wires. Plug it in and let's turn it on and test it. Okay, turn on at a high speed. Let's turn on the recording effect. You can see that it shows 3 pictures at the same time, and we can also display one separately. The picture in front of the car, behind the car, in-car picture. The effect is very clear. At the same time, it also supports mobile phone viewing. We need to download a free app. Then click this icon to connect to the recorder. Look, the picture of the recorder is now displayed on the mobile phone. So how do we connect to Carplay? Let's turn on Bluetooth and find the name of this TF name. Then click Connect it. Confirm the matching key. Well, it has been successfully paired. Let's go back to the recorder and click on this icon. It goes directly into the Carplay interface. You can make phone calls, listen to music, map navigation, etc. Then how to play the sound of the recorder with the car stereo. Let's click on the radio icon of the recorder. Turn on the switch and adjust the frequency band of the radio to the specified number. Then turn on the radio of the original car and set the same frequency band. As long as your car has a radio function, it can be used. Then we play a piece of music with Carplay. Well, recommend this. Follow me and learn more automotive products. Thank you for watching.